Are you constantly worn out, feeling a waning of desire, and feeling your muscle mass decline? These could be signs of decreased testosterone if you are older than 30. But do not worry. Stay with us. We are going to share some incredibly powerful natural testosterone-boosting recipes with you today that will help you regain your youthful vitality and energy. The hormone known as testosterone is male reproductive tissues, as well as secondary sexual characteristics, like muscle mass and body hair, are developed by testosterone, which is why it is important for men. It is also essential for preserving bone density, energy levels generally, and libido. Men over 30 are particularly affected by low testosterone, or low T. Research indicates that after the age of 30, men's testosterone levels usually start to decline, declining by 1% annually on average. Numerous factors such as aging, lifestyle choices, health problems, genetics, and environmental factors contribute to this decline. You can halt this decline by continuing to practice stress management, exercise, a healthy diet, and regular sleep schedules. You can encourage your body to produce more testosterone naturally. Watch to learn how to use natural home remedies to increase testosterone levels. Let's start with ingredient 1, fenugreek seeds. These tiny but mighty seeds are the first unusual component we can have in our homes to increase testosterone. Pherostenolic saponins, found in fenugreek seeds, are thought to increase the production of testosterone. Fenugreek may raise testosterone levels by blocking the enzymes that break down testosterone, which may boost libido, energy, and hormonal balance in general. Furthermore, luteinizing hormone production is thought to be stimulated by a compound called saponins found in fenugreek seeds. Overall testosterone levels are raised by this hormone, which instructs the testosterone to produce more. Fenugreek seeds can raise testosterone levels. Soak 1 teaspoon of seeds in 1 cup of water overnight, then drink the water and seeds first thing in the morning. Stir a teaspoon of the ground seeds into smoothies, yogurt, or warm milk. Second is ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha powder can increase testosterone levels because of its adaptogenic properties, which help lower cortisol and reduce stress. As too much cortisol can disrupt testosterone synthesis, ashwagandha reduces stress and supports hormonal homeostasis. Research has indicated that ashwagandha can enhance sperm quality, strength, and muscle mass, in addition to raising testosterone levels. 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder added to a cup of warm milk or water can increase testosterone levels. Take 1 or 2 servings per day. It can also be blended into a protein shake or smoothie for breakfast, added to soups or stews, or blended with hot water or herbal tea to make tea. Third is Korean red ginseng powder Panax ginseng. Another name for Korean red ginseng has long been used in East Asian medicine due to its potential health benefits, which include increased vitality, improved cognitive function, and general well-being. Studies indicate that it might also benefit men's testosterone levels. The active ingredients in ginseng, called ginsenosides, are thought to be responsible for this effect because they may encourage the release of luteinizing hormone, LH. Next, LH instructs the testes to increase testosterone production. Low testosterone can cause erectile dysfunction, which ginseng has been shown to alleviate. It is believed that ginseng improves erectile function by improving blood flow and nitric oxide production, which indirectly supports higher testosterone levels. Men who take Korean red ginseng have been shown to have higher libidos and greater sexual satisfaction, according to several studies. Increased testosterone levels are frequently associated with this increase in sexual drive. One of the easiest ways is to take Korean red ginseng powder straight out of the bottle, mixed with a certain amount of water, tea, or juice. Fourth is L-arginine. L-arginine is commonly referred to as arginine. The term arginine is widely used, but its scientific name, L-arginine, highlights the specific isomer of the amino acid. L-arginine is one amino acid that is well known for its role in other physiological processes as well as protein synthesis. It has garnered attention due to its potential benefits in increasing testosterone levels in men. Because L-arginine can increase nitric oxide synthesis, which improves blood flow and circulation, it is believed to have benefits. Improved blood flow may indirectly contribute to higher testosterone levels by supporting erectile function. Some studies suggest that L-arginine can stimulate the release of growth hormone, which can have a positive effect on testosterone production. Furthermore, L-arginine may improve exercise performance and recovery by boosting blood flow to the muscles. This could help maintain and increase muscle mass, which would obliquely raise testosterone levels. Moreover, L-arginine's ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation may help protect testosterone-producing cells from damage, supporting overall hormone balance. To use L-arginine for boosting testosterone powder and dissolve powders in water, or take capsules and tablets with water, maintaining consistency and timing. Fifth is maca powder. Maca powder, derived from the root of the maca plant, is often touted for its potential benefits in enhancing testosterone levels in men. It is abundant in many nutrients, such as plant-based compounds, vitamins, and minerals that can promote general health. Maca may enhance sexual function and libido, which are linked to balanced testosterone levels, according to certain studies. The body is thought to be able to better handle stress thanks to the adaptogen properties of maca. As long-term stress can lower testosterone levels, using maca to reduce stress may help preserve or increase testosterone. Furthermore, studies on maca have demonstrated increases in energy, endurance, and stamina. These benefits may help with improved physical performance and muscle maintenance, which in turn may raise testosterone levels. Its antioxidant qualities may also shield testosterone-producing cells from harm, promoting the proper balance of hormones in the body. To use maca powder for enhancing testosterone levels, mix the recommended amount into smoothies, shakes, or other foods. Sixth is cacao powder. The powder made from cocoa beans is high in flavonoids, which are recognized for their numerous health advantages, including the possibility of raising testosterone levels in men. Flavonoids are one type of antioxidant found in cocoa powder. The antioxidants in cocoa aid in the reduction of oxidative stress and inflammation, safeguarding testosterone-producing cells, and promoting the general health of hormones.
According to certain research, the flavonoids in cocoa may enhance nitric oxide synthesis and blood flow, which may strengthen erection and subtly support normal testosterone levels. Zinc and magnesium are two other minerals found in cocoa that are crucial for the synthesis and control of testosterone. Additionally, eating cocoa can improve mood and lower stress, which is advantageous because prolonged stress can lower testosterone levels. To use cocoa powder for improving testosterone levels, mix a small amount, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons, into smoothies, shakes, or other foods. You can also add it to beverages like coffee or hot chocolate.
Even though all ingredients, fenugreek seeds, ashwagandha powder, Korean red ginseng powder, L-arginine, maca powder, and cocoa powder seem promising, individual results can differ, so before adding them to a supplement regimen, especially for people taking other medications or having pre-existing health conditions, it is best to speak with a healthcare provider. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, comment,